I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I have brought complete objectives of chapter Mahila Ki Sahas Gatha from class 10th Karnataka board. Explanation and question answers of this chapter I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. Now let's move on. First one is जोड़ कर लिखिए means match the following. First one is गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर की चढ़ाई सन 1982. She climbed Gangotri Glacier in the year 1982. Second one, पर्वतारोहियों का सम्मेलन सन 1983. A conference of mountaineers was held in the year 1983. Then next, एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर पहुंचना सन 1984. She reached the peak of Everest in the year 1984. Okay, next main is Anurupta. What is Anurupta? In Anurupta, you have to see the relation of the first pair and accordingly you have to solve the second pair. It is very easy. See here Pahad and Giri. What is the relation between the two? Pahad means mountain and Giri also means mountain. So this is synonym. Okay, different words but same meaning. So for Choti also you have to write a word which means peak, because Choti means peak, top. So you have to search and write that word which means peak. So that is Shikhar. Second one, Kalanag Parvat. What is the relation between Kalanag and Parvat? Kalanag is the name of Parvat. So what is the name of Gangotri? It is glacier. Then Colonel Khullar. Colonel's real name was Khullar and Major's real name was Kumar. Then Chai Garam. Tea, we drink a tea hot. And barf means ice is cold. Then पहले हिमालय पर्वतारोही पुरुष, first man to climb Everest is Tenzing Norgay, and first lady to climb Mount Everest is Junke Tabi. Yes, it is Junke Tabi and not Bichendripal, because Bichendripal is the first Indian lady to climb Mount Everest, and here what it is asked, first lady, only first lady is asked. So Junke Tabi, if first Indian lady was asked, then you would have write Bichendrapal. Okay, so now next one is Striling Shabd likhiye. Here you have to change the gender and write masculine is given, you have to write feminine. First is Baap. Baap will become Ma. Baap means father, mother. Then Purush, Stri, man, woman. Bhai, Behan. Brother, sister. Beta, Beti, son, daughter. Shriman, Shrimati. Mr, Mrs. The next main उदाहरण के अनुसार लिखिए. According to the example you have to solve. See, उदाहरण is पढ़ प्लस आई पढ़ाई, चढ़ प्लस आई चढ़ाई, कठिन प्लस आई कठिनाई, ऊंचा प्लस आई ऊंचाई, बढ़ प्लस आई बढ़ाई. Then next main is अन्य वचन रूप लिखिए. Here you have to write the plurals of the given word. Singular is given, you have to write plurals. First is चट्टान चट्टाने, रस्सी रस्सियाँ, शीशा शीशे, चोटी चोटियाँ, चादर चादरें. The next one is विलोम शब्द. विलोम शब्द means opposite words. आरोहण अवरोहण, चढ़ना उतरना, ठंडा गरम, परिश्रम आलस्य, सामने पीछे. Then next one is समानार्थक शब्द. समानार्थक शब्द means synonym, means meaning. Okay, meaning will be same but words will be different. See here choti. Choti means top, peak. Okay, on the top. So you have to write words which have the meaning choti, like top, peak. So shikhar, shikha, choti, everything has the same meaning. It is one and the same, only the words are different. Then subha. Subha means morning. We also call it as prabhat, uday, bhor. Okay, it means morning. Then mahila. Mahila means woman, stri, nari, lady. Then nazdik. Nazdik means near, close, pass, kareeb. देन नेक्स्ट मीन इज विशेषण और संज्ञा को अलग कर लिखिए. सी विशेषण मीन्स एडजेक्टिव एंड संज्ञा मीन्स नाउन. So you have to identify what is noun and what is visheshan. You have to make a column and you have to write. See here, first one is madhur swar. Madhur swar means sweet voice. Here voice is sangya, swar is sangya, and madhur means sweet. Okay, that is visheshan. See, noun we all know it is the name of person, place or thing. And what is visheshan? What is adjective? That adjective are those words that give you more information about noun or something extra about noun. So here swar is noun. So here what extra information you are getting? That the voice is sweet. Okay, the voice is sweet. So sweet is visheshan. Then second one, karkash awaz means irritating noise. So here noise is noun, and how the noise is, it is very irritating. Okay, it is giving you extra information about noun, that how the voice is, how the noise is, it is irritating, disturbing. So that karkash is visheshan, adjective. Then third is bada sadhu. Sadhu means saint. Okay, that is noun. And how the sadhu is big, he is giant. Okay, so that extra information that you are getting about noun is adjective. Then thandi hawa. Here hawa is noun, and how the hawa is, how the air is, it is cool. So cool is adjective, visheshan. Then nylon rassi. Rassi is noun. How the rope is, rassi means rope, how the rope is, it is nylon. So nylon is visheshan, it is giving extra information about the rope. Then next one is sahi shabd chunkar likhiye. You have to choose the right answer. Some answers are given in your textbook. You have to choose the right answer and write. First one is jahan pahuncha na ja sake means where you cannot reach. Answer is durgam. See, here one sentence is given. You have to choose that word which means the same meaning of this sentence. jahan pahuncha na ja sake उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे दुर्गम कहते हैं. Okay, means where you cannot reach, it is called as inaccessible. Then second one, मास में एक बार आने वाला, coming once a month. What comes in a month? मासिक. मासिक means monthly. Okay. Then next, जो कभी ना मरे means that never dies. We call it as अमर, immortal. अमर means immortal, the one who never dies. Then अच्छा चरित्र वाला is called as सच्चा चरित्र means the one who has clean character is known as good character. Then next one, जो आंखों के सामने हो, the thing which is in front of your eyes is called प्रत्यक्ष. Then जो स्थिर रहे means that remains same, unchanged. Okay, it is called as स्थायी. स्थायी means permanent, there is no change in it. Then next, जिसे क्षमा न किया जा सके, the one who cannot be forgiven is known as अक्षमय means sinful, whom you cannot forgive. Then next is जो वन में घूमता हो. वन means jungle, forest. The one who roams in the forest is known as forest man, वनचर. Then जिसका संबंध पश्चिम से हो, the one who is from west is known as पाश्चात्य means western. Then next, जो उपकार मानता हो means the one who appreciates is known as कृतज्ञ means grateful. Okay. Then next one is कन्नड़ अथवा अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Here you have to translate and write either in Kannada or in English. I am writing in English. If you want to write in Kannada, you can. First one is बिछेंद्री का जन्म एक साधारण परिवार में हुआ था. बिछेंद्री was born in a middle class family. Then next, बिछेंद्री को रोज पैदल चलकर जाना पड़ता था. बिछेंद्री had to walk daily a long way. नेक्स्ट, दक्षिणी शिखर के ऊपर हवा की गति बढ़ गई थी. द विंड वॉज ब्लोइंग एट अ ग्रेट स्पीड ऑन द सदर्न पीक. नेक्स्ट, मुझे लगा कि सफलता बहुत नजदीक है. आई फेल्ट दैट द सक्सेस वॉज वेरी नियर. नेक्स्ट, मैं एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर पहुंचने वाली प्रथम भारतीय महिला थी. I was the first Indian woman to climb the peak of Everest. So here all the objectives are completed. I hope this video was useful. I provided a satisfactory answer. If you liked it and if you want more such videos, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.